Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to number 2 secant of t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 4 secant of t square, number 4, we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change by tan t square, and later that we simplify the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have number 2 secant of t tan t dt. First, the derivative of this one, that is about this one. So I will put this one gone here, and this one gone here. Ds we change by this one. This one we have 4 secant of t square. Number 4 and number 4 we can do about factorization. This one we change by tan t square. This one we have 8 secant of t to the power of 3. This one we have 2 tan t. Now we need to simplify secant of t and secant of t. 4 divided by 8, we have 1 over 2. Tan t, we have tan t square. So tan t square we change by sin t over cosine t with the power 2. This one we have 1 over cosine t square. Now we need to simplify cosine t square, cosine t square. Next, we have the formula sin t square equals to 1 minus cosine 2t over number 2. So I will put this one gone here. Number 2 and number 2 we have 1 over 4. The integration of number 1 we have t. The integration of cosine 2t we have 1 over 2 sin 2t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one, so we divide both sides by number 2, and we have t equal to arc secant of s over number 2. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.